Have you ever wondered why there is a time limit on legal claims? Let us break down what the statute of limitations actually means. At its core, this concept is simply a legal deadline. Once this time expires, you generally cannot file a lawsuit or collect a debt. In many states, creditors have between 3 and 6 years to pursue unpaid debts. This protects people from facing claims from the distant past. Be careful, because certain actions like making a payment or acknowledging a debt in writing can accidentally reset that countdown clock to 0. If a debt is past the statute of limitations, a collector cannot successfully sue you. However, the debt technically still exists on your history. This chart shows how most collection activity happens within the active period, but a significant portion of older debt eventually becomes time-barred. Always verify the details before you act. Admitting to a debt without proof can have legal consequences that are hard to reverse. Knowing your state laws helps you navigate financial claims with confidence. Thanks for watching, and remember to consult a professional for your specific needs.